Hey guys, this is Kathy, and I wanted to show you a braid that I do very frequently on someone that has an event to go to. They want their hair up. Works really well for people who have fine, thin hair. It gives them a look of having more hair. Now, my friend Edie here had surgery a few months back, and her hair has fallen out and has gotten very, very thin, and she has naturally curly hair. But she needed to wear it up for a wedding. So what I did was, it's called a halo braid, and you start at the one side and you braid across and all the way around. Now, the important part is the position you have the client's hair in, and you only pull hair from the one side. It's traditional French braid style of braiding, and just one side you put in, the other side you just braid as normal. And what you do is you continue going all the way around the head until you get to the other side. And like I said, the important part is keeping customers' head in the right position. Now, when I got to the end here, I just braided it like a regular braid, and you can see her hair is very, very thin. But then what I did was it creates a little edge where you can tuck that little braid underneath and use a hairpin to anchor it. And the hairpins, actually I use bobby pins, I'm sorry. And what you do with bobby pins is a lot of people use their teeth to open these things up. And you don't have to do that. You just look at the pin, the longest end, you put that down in and slide it in. You're going to anchor that hair down a lot better by doing that way than opening that bobby pin up and possibly chipping your teeth. And she's ready for her event. Now, a lot of times you can put little flowers or something in that little crown on the top. It's a beautiful style. Thanks for watching.